Based on Texas minimum standards, caregivers must be at least 18 years old to work at a daycare facility. With the rise of young adults using vapes and e-cigarettes in the past 10 years, the CDC reports that over 11% of adults ages 18 to 24 now use these devices. This has led to an increase in incidents where children were exposed to vape pens while at daycare. We're exploring how children can be exposed to vape pens at daycare, the injuries this may cause, and the critical measures needed to ensure their safety. So, how can children access these vape pens at daycare? It often happens due to the daycare's complete disregard for child safety. A caregiver might leave their vape pen on a low table, in a bag that's within reach, or even accidentally drop it. Vape pens are small, often colorful, and can easily catch a child's eye. If a caregiver or staff member leaves a vape pen within reach, it becomes a dangerous object that a child might mistake for a toy. Children are also naturally curious. They explore the world with their hands and mouths. This means if they find a vape pen, they might try to play with it or even put it in their mouth. Now let's talk about the types of injuries children can face if they come into contact with vape pens. The first major risk is nicotine poisoning. Vape pens contain concentrated nicotine, which can be extremely harmful if ingested by a child. Even a small amount can lead to symptoms like nausea, vomiting, increased heart rate, and in severe cases, seizures or respiratory failure. Another significant risk is exposure to toxic chemicals. Vape pens contain various harmful substances, including heavy metals and carcinogens. If a child handles a vape pen, these chemicals can be absorbed through the skin or inhaled, leading to poisoning and respiratory issues. Physical injuries are also a concern. Vape pens are battery-operated devices. If a child bites or chews on one, there's a risk of battery leakage or even explosion, causing burns and other serious injuries. Daycares must have policies regarding the storage of personal items, including vape pens. Parents should always ask the daycare about their guidelines to keep such items out of children's reach. If you suspect your child has come into contact with a vape pen, it's vital to act quickly. Look for signs of poisoning, such as sudden nausea, vomiting, or lethargy. If any of these symptoms appear, seek medical attention immediately and inform your doctor about the possibility of nicotine poisoning. At the Button Law Firm, we understand how frightening the situation can be. We're here to help you navigate the legal process and ensure your child's safety. If your child has been injured at daycare after accessing a vape pen, don't hesitate to contact us. If you have more questions about vape pen injuries at daycare, but aren't ready to talk to us just yet, we've created a free 5-step guide on what to do after a daycare injury. It's linked below. We're here to keep you and your family moving forward.